VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper is a software that can easily rip and back up all your DVD and Blu-ray collections. In this video, we will show you how to use BD-DVD Ripper. VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper is suitable for Windows and Mac OS. Please download the right version according to your computer system. The main interface of VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper is divided into 4 sections. You can load the files from the plus button or the Load DVD, Load Blu-ray button, and select the output format in Rip All 2. Below the interface, you can select the output path and start the ripping process. For more settings, you can click the menu button on the upper right corner. If you have subscribed, please click Register to log in with your email address and registration code. Now let's see how to rip with VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper. After inserting the discs, click the plus button and the software will automatically load the disc. Then select Main Title or Full Title List. If you choose Full Title List, it will display all the titles, and you can choose the titles you want to rip. If you find that you missed some titles, it doesn't matter. You can click the Full Title List here to reselect them. Click the button on the right to choose to export the title as a video or audio file, DVD folder, or DVD ISO file. If you choose to export as video or audio, you can select the output format as needed. The default output format of the software is MP4, which is the most compatible format all around the world. But we also provide more than 300 plus mainstream audio-video formats, such as MKV, MOV, and lossless for you. It should be noted that only if the lossless format is selected, there are multiple audios and subtitles that can be added. But if you choose the output format like MKV, you can select multiple audios, but only one subtitle. Then click Audio Track. The software will display all the audio tracks you can choose. You can also import other audio tracks locally. Click Subtitles to select the subtitles you want to display. If the movie itself doesn't have subtitles, there won't be an option. You can import subtitles from local. It should be noted that the Force button is a mandatory subtitle that can be added to clarify the plot or details of the video, or the translation and interpretation of special symbols and words. Click the button to turn on hardware acceleration, and the conversion speed will be significantly improved. Then, click Rip All to start the DVD ripping process. Wait for a while. When it is complete, the software will pop up a folder where you can find the output file. VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper also provides some functions for editing and optimizing videos. You can click these buttons to rotate and crop the video, adjust brightness, add watermarks, etc. before starting ripping. In addition, you can also choose the tools you need in the toolbox to make interesting GIFs or compress videos, etc. That's all VideoByte can do. Don't forget to follow our channel and official website for more information.